Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. You are going to get your September journal out. You will need a pencil and you will need crayons for your September journal. And guess what, Mrs. Hensley's friends? This will be your last, yes, I said last, September journal page, because the new month is going to be October, so we will have October journal to do. But don't start that until Mrs. Hensley tells you to. So get your September journal out. Remember, Mrs. Hensley didn't color it. I should have colored it, huh? So get your September journal out, a pencil and crayons. Okay, you're going to go to your next available page in your journal, like this. The next available, do not skip back and just go when you have one right here. Okay, so you are going to write the date and let Mrs. Hensley get that for you. It's over there on the board, but Mrs. Hensley does not want to move the whole desk over there. So I will just write it again for you guys so you will have it. Meant to do this before I started my video, but I didn't. So, okay, so I will let you see that right there. Okay, 9-30-20, or you can do the abbreviation of September, which is SEPT period, finger space 30, comma, finger space 2020. Or you can write September out, finger space 30, comma, finger space 2020. Okay? So if you need to pause, you can pause. And I'm going to go ahead and move back to Mrs. Hensley because you can pause the video to get the date. Okay? So go to your next available page. You're writing the date. You are drawing a picture with pencil. So draw a picture with pencil. Mrs. Hensley is not going to write in her journal. I want you guys to write in yours though. So your date and pencil. Draw a picture using your pencil. Okay, draw a picture using your pencil and then write the word, the sounds that you hear. So you're going to write the word. Whatever you drew, you're going to write the word. Listen to the sounds that you hear when you write the word, okay? Then you may color your picture, okay? Then I want you to take a picture of it, so you'll go to the green Add Response button. You will snap a picture of it, click on the camera, take a picture close up so Mrs. Hensley can see the date, your illustration, and your writing. I want the whole page. Some of you have not been letting me see the date when you take a picture. I want a picture of the whole page so I can see your entire writing, the date, the drawing, the coloring, and your label, whatever you drew. I also want you to click on the microphone because Mrs. Hensley wants to know what you drew and what you wrote. So you will need to click on the microphone and tell me what you drew and what you wrote. This is your last page of your September journal. So enjoy your September journal. Put your September journal in a safe place, maybe inside your fish folder, because we will want your September journal when you come back to school, okay, at the end of October. Okay, so do your best work. Make this your best journal page in September, okay? Have fun. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.